Respected principal sir, worthy teachers, and my dear friends, a very warm and energetic good morning to all of you. Today we have gathered here for a truly special and transformative occasion, International Yoga Day. Every year on the 21st of June, the world joins hands to celebrate this ancient gift. And it is a matter for immense pride for us that this profound heritage of India is now embraced globally as a beacon of health and well-being. To truly understand what yoga is, we must look at how the ancient sage Maharshi Patanjali defined it in the Yoga Sutras. Yogas chitta vritti nirodha. Yoga is the cessation of the fluctuations of the mind. This means yoga is not just about twisting the body or performing complex physical postures. It is the science of calming the restless mind, reducing the clutter of thoughts, and connecting deeply to our inner selves. Yoga is of vital importance in our daily routine. In today's fast paced digital age, especially for us students, yoga is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity. Incorporating it to our daily life offers immense benefits mental clarity and focus. Regular practice of pranayama increases oxygen flow to the brain, which sharpens memory, enhances academic focus, and reduces exam related anxiety. Emotional resilience. By managing our hormones and nervous system, yoga helps us manage mood swings, stress, and peer pressure with maturity. Holistic health. Yoga builds a robust immune system and corrects postural defects caused due to long hours of sitting and screen usage. My dear friends, you might wonder, why do we as students need yoga right now? The answer lies in a beautiful verse from the Srimad Bhagavad Gita spoken by Sri Krishna. बुद्धियुक्तो जहातीह उभे सुकृत दुष्कृते तस्माद्योगाय युज्यस्व योगः कर्मसु कौशलम. It means a man who practices the discipline of yoga frees himself from the anxiety of good and bad outcomes. Therefore, dedicate yourself to yoga, for yoga is excellence in action. For a student, the primary karma or action is learning and education. If you can perform your duties with absolute dedication, focus, and efficiency, you are already practicing yoga. In a student's journey, the regular practice of yoga yields direct and life changing benefits, combating distractions and building focus. In an era dominated by short video reels, notifications, and gaming, our attention spans are shrinking. Yoga trains our brain to ignore the noise and focus entirely on the task at the hand. Sharper memory. Simple practices like Bhramari, that is called be breathe, and Anulom Vilom, that is called alternate nostril breathing, maximize oxygen flow to both hemispheres of the brain, significantly boosting memory retention and cognitive skills. Beating exam stress. The nervous anxiety we feel right before exams can entirely be managed and eliminated through just a few minutes of daily meditation. My dear friends, a healthy mind can only reside in a healthy body. Yoga is not a religion, it is a science. It is not about bending the body, it is about reshaping your life. It does not teach us to escape from the world, but equips us to face the world with grace, strength, and an unshakable inner peace. So today, let us pledge to make yoga an inseparable part of our daily routine. Let us move from a state of distraction to a state of direction. Let me conclude with a powerful thought. Sickness recedes when discipline takes the lead. Adopt yoga today for a healthier life ahead. So, practice yoga and stay disease free. Thank you so much. Wishing you all a very energetic and peaceful International Yoga Day.